PCBA outsourcing processing means that PCBA manufacturers send PCBA orders to other powerful PCB processing manufacturers. PCBA outsourcing processing requirements shall be based on BOM, PCB screen printing and outsourcing processing requirements. First, all components shall be treated as electrostatic sensitive devices. Second, all people who come into contact with components and products should wear anti-static clothes, anti-static bracelets and anti-static shoes. Third, the raw materials into the factory and storage stage. Electrostatic sensitive devices are adopted anti-static packaging. Fourth, the operation is too long. The use of anti-static workbench. Components and semi-finished products are stored in anti-static capacitors. Fifth, reliable grounding of welding equipment. Electric soldering iron is anti-static. Need to be tested before use. Sixth, PCB board semi-finished products storage and transportation are adopted anti-static box. The isolation materials are anti-static. Pearl cotton. 7. Use an anti-static bag for the system without a shell. In terms of the orientation of component appearance identification. Firstly, polar components are inserted according to polarity. Secondly, when the component high voltage ceramic capacitor is printed on the side. In vertical installation, the screen printing faces right. When the component high voltage ceramic capacitor is inserted horizontally, the screen printing faces down. Thirdly, when the resistance is horizontally inserted, the error coloring faces right. When the bedroom is vertically inserted, the error coloring faces down. When the resistance is inserted vertically, the error coloring faces the plate. Welding requirements. First, insert components in the welding surface pin height of 1.5 to 0 millimeters. Second, solder joint height single panel is not less than 1 millimeters. Double panel is not less than 0.5 millimeters and need to penetrate tin. Third, the shape of the solder joint is conical and covered with the whole pad. Fourth, solder joint surface smooth. Right, no black spot, flux and other sundry. No tip, pins, pores, exposed copper and other defect. Fifth, solder joint, strengthen solder pad and pin fully welded. No virtual welding, false welding. Sixth, solder joint section without cracking tin phenomenon. No, pipes, barbs. 7. Pin base welding. Pin base requirements at the bottom of the board. Insert bottom floating height does not exceed 0.5 millimeters. The seat body skew does not exceed the screen frame. In terms of transportation, in order to prevent PCBA damage, the following packaging should be used. In transportation, first, holding container, anti-static turnover box. Second, isolation material, anti-static pearl cotton. Third, placing spacing between PCB board and board. PCB board and the box has more than 10 millimeters distance. Fourth, placing height. There is more than 50 millimeters space from the top of the turnover box. To ensure that the turnover box stack do not suppress the power supply, especially the power supply with wire. Washing. Requirements on the board. The board's surface should be clean. Fluxy beads. Component pins. Stains. In particular, the solder joints on the plug-in surface should not see any dirt left by welding, and all components are not allowed to exceed the PCB board edge after installation. When PCB passes through the furnace, the pin of the plug-in component is scoured by